Nearly all movement in the body is a result of muscle contraction. Exceptions to this are the action of cilia, the flagellum on sperm cells, and amoeboid movement of white blood cells. Movement on a macro level is due to muscles guiding the structural skeleton of our body. The integrated action of joints, bones, and skeletal muscles produces obvious movements such as walking and running. Skeletal muscles also produce more subtle movements that result in various facial expressions, eye movements, and respiration. Now, how do these contractions take place? We've already seen the muscle architecture and how every skeletal muscle is made up of fascicles and how each fascicle is made up of muscle fibers, which are the individual multinucleated muscle cells. From there, we then see that the myofibrils, which in turn contain myofilaments, are arranged into sarcomeres. These sarcomeres are the contractile unit of muscle contraction. Looking at a sarcomere, there are a few regions that become apparent at first sight. We can see the darker A bands and the lighter I bands, which are aligned and responsible for the striated appearance of skeletal muscles. Within each A band, we can find a lighter region called the 8th zone, and this 8th zone is split down the middle by something called the M line, made up of the protein called myomycin. The I bands are also split down the middle by a region called the Z disc. We can identify an individual sarcomere as being a section from one Z disc to the next, and this is the functional unit of skeletal muscles. If we zoom in a bit more, we can see the myofilaments that make up these regions. The thick filaments contain myosin, and these extend across the A band connected to the M line. The thin filaments contain actin, extending across the I band and into the A band.